Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Did you see the Chanel 22 and 23 fall winter show? It was aired I think a couple days ago and I just can't wait because I really want to come on here and share with you guys all of the look that was debuted. This is the first time I think I've seen such an exciting show besides the current season, and if you guys are a fan of the brand, you know that we have all been mourning the Karl Lagerfeld era, and he's been giving us everything we have ever dreamed of in terms of luxury and fashion. So personally for me, just kind of getting used to the looks that Virginie, which is their current creative director, is delivering, I think it took me some time, and I've had this discussion with my other friends who are, you know, VIPs of the brand, and they have all shared that they felt like the brand identity is slowly changing because you have a new creative under the brand, so the looks are obviously going to be different. But this season the theme is called the Eternal Tweed, which if you know Chanel you would know this by now, or if you don't know, it's okay. I've also learned from all of these years following the brand that tweed is definitely one of the iconic Chanel codes. So there's, you know, the chain, the leather, tweed, and pearl. Any of these things, whenever you talk about it, you think about Chanel most of the time. Tweed isn't a new material, but it's definitely something that Chanel has started a trend with. So a lot of brands are inspired from that. And I even remember reading a lot of your comments when I filmed with this Zara jacket with my giant Chanel brooch. People always comment every time I film the video with the outfit that, is your jacket Chanel? I think people just link up tweed with Chanel a lot because of the brand's identity. Anyway, I wanted to walk through the show with you guys and kind of get into the details before, you know, the launch of the actual season where brands are going to release all of the bags, accessories, and etc. But with show, we can always see what vibe the season is going off of, and I am just loving it. The color palette, you know, the new materials they're choosing to use as shoes, the color of tweed, it's just got such a fun twist on a lot of looks. So without further ado, let's get into the show. And if you haven't watched it, it's okay, you can always watch it on their website. My friend Claire from Friends has also attended the show. I was just chatting with her as to like what she has brought with her, and I'm super happy that you got to meet the photographer that you have been loving for a long time, and also all of these behind the scenes. Anyway, Claire's Instagram is over here if you guys want to check out a few behind the scenes. There were just a lot of stylish people, of course, right? French Fashion Week. In this video, we're most likely going to be walking through different looks, and I have some enlarged images of the accessories as well, so I'll make sure I put everything I have gathered in this video so you can see all the details for yourself. And I cannot wait to get started. I mean, the show just set up in the way that is so me. Like, I just love this vibe so much. It's warmth, it's thick, and it's color. The colors are just beautiful. The blue runway they put out, it's this like low saturated color that kind of went with everything, because this season you see, you know, dark pinks, purple, black, you see olive green, you see some blue, but this carpet is like the perfect contrast to kind of complement the looks. So the first look is this long jacket, and she's wearing a bright pink crossbody leather necklace with Chanel logo, and there's a lot of like useless heart-shaped cute crossbodies that are coming up, so we'll get into that. The second look, can we talk about the jacket? It's honestly so good. It gives us that retro kind of style, like a toned down shoulder pads over here with this long pendant. Love the colorway, and also the stocking looks pretty good on her, which I'll get into the stocking in a little bit. Her bag is also a tweed piece. And the third look, the first debut of this look, we can fairly call this a ring boot, but like a long ring boot. It is over the knee, and I absolutely love the style. I just hope this thing is flexible, so when you wear it, it's comfortable. Her tweed jacket is just stunning. Don't know how I feel about the crossbody because personally I'm not a huge fan of the crescent moon shape, but I know Chanel did have the crescent moon shape back in, like, I would say early 2000s, and people absolutely loved it. But it's a discontinued style, so who knows. This is also not on the classic play with the caviar leather, and this is more of a suede material. Continuation of the long ring boot. Love the color. Don't know how practical it is going to be. I have been purchasing a lot of these like Scandinavian Nordic baby brand clothes for my baby, and their colors are very muted when it comes to fall winter colors. So this one, I think it could be a go. It'll just be fashion and trend leading again. So love this look as well. Long jacket, so gorgeous. And this is a fifth look. It's the first look that is paired with a beige color ring boot, and this is a low boot. It's kind of a quarter length low boot. And I think it's a little bit harder to pull off because if you think about it, the models are like almost perfectly proportioned. Their legs are long. And let's be honest, if you look at this item on their body proportion, I don't think it complements the best. But I get it, Chanel, you wanted to really push these rubbery ring boot with a super huge logo on there. I adore it, but I just don't know how practical it is going to be, especially for people who live in like the tropic weather like Los Angeles. This is something that we probably won't even wear like more than a handful times a year, unless you really wanna, you know, kind of just embrace every season when it's cold. This is a look though. I mean, the red color is really nice. It's fall winter. It provides that warmth. And the sixth look is this long, beautiful pink jacket, tweed jacket with fur sleeves. And this is just so chic. And this is the black ring boot. The ring boot is already out there. It's not a new thing. I think they're just trying to put more emphasis on this item so it kind of picks up on popularity even more. And did you see what she's carrying? A top handle mini vanity crossbody. And this time the mini vanity with a top handle with a front flap where it looks like it could be storing credit cards, and it's pretty cute. And I also love the accessories on her with 3 hearts. I don't know, this color palette just so gorgeous. And the next look has this olive color ring boot. So far we've seen beige, black, and olive green. And honestly, the rest few looks are just going to be similar but with different, you know, tops and the bottoms. But can we talk about the stockings? I feel like these are just long stockings. I think models are perfectly proportioned and their legs are usually super skinny, and seeing them wearing these stockings don't really make me feel like I want to own them, because it kind of like have that large effect where it makes your look a little bit chunkier, even though it's probably really keeping you warm. But in terms of look, I just think it's not the most flattering, I would say. And if you keep looking at it and just pay attention to all of their stockings, it honestly is not the most complimenting. Eighth look is all of a beigey look, very cute with a tweed vanity looking bag. And the next look, I love the color clash. This strawberry-y pink sweater with the Chanel logo right in the center, and these beautiful leather pants that look like an apple dipped in caramel sauce, and when you bite into it, it's those Granny Smith apple green colored ones right underneath. Reminds me of that. I dig this look. It has this retro element, the way she wears her scarf and all of the brooches. Just love the accessories from head to toe, and the sweater, it's like a strawberry cream. So cute. And more chunky knitted elements coming at you at the next look. I just have to say, what caught my eye most in this look is this mini classic flap in this pink tweed. I mean, I'm a crazy pink person, but I don't know how many pink bags I could own. I feel like whenever I go out, I don't really reach for it, but I just love a good pink bag, and this gives you that. And of course, she's wearing a ton of beautiful accessories on her neck. Not sure if that's gonna be how we usually wear in our daily lives, but you know, you get to see it on other people first. And the next look I'm also loving. I think this turquoise blue color legging does give you that extra layer and texture, and it contrasts with her outfit right there. It's really cute. And I would say if I have to pick the ring boot because it keeps showing up here, it's probably going to be the black one. It's just the easiest to match with everything. And if you look at her belt, it has a half cc cutoff. It's like these chains are just so cute. Next look, love it, very Chanel. The color is just beautiful. And if you pay attention to their hair and makeup, everybody has like very sleek, long silky hair, and I think hair accessory is also going to be a big hit this season, so be on the lookout for that. And then the color becomes more real winter and fall-y by having these purples and blues. And just pay attention to the stockings. I just feel like they're not the most flattering even on the perfect body proportion models, but I do love this dress though. I think it's a top and a skirt, two-piece right here, knitted with tiny little Chanel runs through the outfit, and then we have the rest of few looks coming up. A patent leather crossbody right here that is very interesting. I love this pink purpley tweed top and skirt dress set, so pretty. And a all pink jacket that is so long. The way she walks, you can tell it's like totally showing off that long jacket. And look 22 is another one that I absolutely adore. It has this black tweed and sequins element kind of popping it off, giving it dimension, and also that legging is much cuter than the knitted ones. Coming back to the knitted style, love this model and the look on her. It's just so cozy. This beautiful model looks like she's wearing a trendy CC in a tweed material, a very new debut of a new material on trendy CC, the existing style. Typically trendy CC had always been released with lambskin. People think it's so delicate, but I see a lot of people owning it and just loving how it wears, so pay attention to this. And if you look closely, there are different pom-poms you can find on the chain of this bag. Just superb. That's another look right here. I think this sweater is gonna be a hit. Look at this skirt. The details here are impeccable. The bottom of the skirt, how they closes it with this like wave pattern, I love it. And I'm kind of done with micro bags that are not useful because I'm a mom now. Therefore, I need more space and the bag has to be a little bit bigger. I can live off of Hermes mini bags because they're actually practical. It has space for me. But Chanel mini bags are literal like micro bags. Look number 27 is another gorgeous one with a long ring boot. Tell me in the comment section below, what color would you get in the short ring boot if you could choose out of the three color, black, beige, and olive green? And also the long boot, which color would you choose? So far we've seen olive green and black and white. This is the next look, just embellished with lots of camellia, and each camellia is like $450, so that's a look. And here comes the first look with this heart-shaped crossbody, and this is literally an accessory because I don't know what you can put in there besides a couple of coins. I also love this look though. It's very elegant, but I feel like it's definitely made for someone who has a longer torso. I love the peekaboo look in here, as there is a pink feather piece hiding under this sweater. It's really interesting. And the next look is definitely very Chanel. Okay, I can see red. I love a red and black clash. Those ring boots look super good on this red jacket. Very statement. And I think it's getting heavier in terms of material as you wish, because if you live in like colder climate zones, which a lot of their clients do, this is a look. I love it. Very, very Chanel. I think it's also very sentimental if you happen to collect designer wear, especially fashion pieces from season to season, and later on when you look back, it is a great memory for you that's preserved from back then. I would love to do that, and I'm doing it, so I will definitely keep you guys posted as to when the season is coming closer, because this is for 2022-2023 fall winter, so it's going to take a while. But if you don't follow my first luxury here yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I do give you guys first looks and also full reviews before collection comes out. So if you love luxury or just like to know a little bit more, I do share lots of insights and in-depth reviews on luxury across the board, from fashion to jewelry houses and also watches sometimes. So if there's an interest, I'm willing to be creating these videos for you guys. And this is it. This is the Chanel runway of 2022-23. I've already asked you a few questions, so I'm sure I'm going to be reading them in the comment section below. At the same time, let me know if you like this show, because I got super excited when I saw it. I'm like, Tweed, yes, give me more. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.